Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are opening up my new subscription box from Jane's Agenda. So this is the first sub box I've gotten from them. I bought some stuff from their anniversary sale. A lot of it was super cool, so I figured I will try out the subscription box for a couple months, see if I like it. I did make one error, which I have corrected for next month, but I can't do anything about it for this month. I ordered the big size and I meant to order the classic size because big size I pretty much use for work. So, cute journaling card for October. This tells you what's in the box. We're just going to look at what's in the box. So, alrighty. So we got pretty paper. We got pretty sub box sticker. What is that? Okay, stop peeking. Stop peeking. Alright. We're going to have to peek because it doesn't want to behave. What are you? Ooh. Okay. We've got a big corduroy. This is soft. Zip up bag. Jane's Agenda on it. Nice lining. It's all like cotton. No pockets. You could fit a lot in here, I bet. Can you fit the letter size stuff in here? Because that would be shocking. Really? You can fit the letter size stuff in here. And there's like space. Wow. Okay. That's cool. Because there's usually nothing letter size. I mean, now granted, I had to bend it a little bit to get it in. But once you get it in, it's perfectly flat. Wow. Okay. I was not expecting that. That is cool. Put that over here. We're going to go back to the things that we skipped. Alright. Baggie of stuff. Got washi tape. Creepy cat eyes. I put a spell on you. And, a moon. Crescent moon with some stars and some leaves. That's pretty. They're all blank on the back, so they're like little decorations or journaling cards. Very cool. Ooh, big black paper clips. Who doesn't need big paper clips? Page corner bookmark. Oh, that's how these things work. They go on a corner. Alright, because I have a couple of these from Simply Gilded, and I think somewhere else, and I do not know what to do with them. That explains that. Bookmark. You know the bookmarks, right? Okay, so this is all like different moon phases or moon pictures. And then that's the top, so it would stick up. So, yeah, bookmark. All right, let's see. What do we got here? Just says Jane's Agenda. It's pretty. Yep, we're losing something. Hold on. Okay, there we go. All right, I have to find a place to put these bags, which I will probably need. Ooh, okay. All right, so this I absolutely love. So this says, "Beware, for I am fearless and therefore powerful," and it's from Frankenstein by Mary Shelley, and that runs the whole length of the planner, which is cool. What? Oh, okay. All right, hold on. Okay. I am out with lanterns looking for myself. Emily Dickinson. That's cool. And then, okay, so it's just the back is just without the quote. Also very cool. What else we got here? The Legend of Sleepy Hollow. I wonder if this is actually page 76. Fall reading list. Okay. Legend of Sleepy Hollow. Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Frankenstein. Fellowship of the Ring. Mansfield Park. Jane Eyre. Phantom of the Opera. Wuthering Heights. Anne of Green Gables, The Great Gatsby, Dracula, The Witching Hour, and Practical Magic. I have to tell you, I recently read Practical Magic because I love the movie. Don't read the book if you love the movie. Just don't. They're nothing alike. 98% completely nothing alike. The sequels after it, I've heard, are better, but don't. You'll be so disappointed. Trust me, because I was. You'll be disappointed. Ooh, okay. So now we've got going with this whole Sleepy Hollow thing. Spooky October stuff. That's cool. And then we've got vellum. So you can put the vellum over this And you've got like bats flying in this creepy, oh, that's cool. I wonder what it looks like over this. Alright, if this was pumpkins or something, this would be like amazing over this. I love it. Okay. I'm gonna have to find a way to put this in my work planner and not get laughed at work because this is just cool. Oh dear. Okay. Maybe that wasn't the best place to put things. Oh. Ah, okay. So if I move those, then that stays flat. Okay. Excellent. Right, sorry about the glare. Alright. What are you? Chapter 10. October 9th, Indigenous Peoples Day. October 31st, Halloween. Which says Jane's Agenda. Project Debrief. What is this? Ooh. No way. Way! These are vellum, and they're like book chapters. We've got November too, and December. Whoa. Where is that? Okay, here. Check this out. Now, if this turned out to be like chapter 10 from The Legend of Sleepy Hollow, I'm gonna freak, but how cool does that look? I love that. Oh my god, I love that. Okay. And you could do it again for November and December. That's just awesome. Okay. Alright, so what is this? Now we've got a goal is a personal promise to your future self. That's cool. And, okay, so now we've got goals. Okay, so month 1, month 2, month 3. Important dates. Month 1 goals, month 2 goals, month 3 goals. Project, event, idea. Start date, deadline with a checkbox. So I guess if you want to break your goals down into steps, kind of like project management, you could totally do that. Then you've got a piece of grid, and then you've got focus on the step in front of you, not the whole staircase. And we do it again. So that's 2 months. You got your grid. And the distance between dreams and reality is called action. That's cool. I like these quotes. There's a lot of these. Okay. If you talk about it, it's a dream. If you envision it, it's possible. But if you schedule it, it's real. Tony Robbins. All right. I'm not a Tony Robbins fan because he kind of reminds me of a used car salesman. But that's a good quote. Okay. So now we've got project pages. Okay. So project, start date, deadline, goals, objectives, budget, purpose, why, description, what, details, how, other ideas. And then we got the same thing on the back. No, this is different. Okay, so now on the back we've got start date, deadline, goals, budget, objectives, task list with, and then who I guess does that task, start date, deadline, and phases. Then we've got dot grid, and then we've got opportunities, wins, notes, and then we've got another project. And I guess this is like the wrapping it up. Well, that's cool. So there's a bunch of these. And then you're at the end. So that's a decent stack of probably very useful pages to figure out what I'm going to use them for. That's cool. Okay. There's a lot of neat stuff in here. Notes, 03 letter, quad list pages. What does that mean? Ooh. Okay, wait. No, we got to do this first. I totally get distracted by cool looking things while doing another thing. Okay. That's why I spend so much time on Instagram. Okay, so that's just like a cover page. Oh, okay. Quad list pages. Got you now. Okay, so you've got 4 lists on each side. So that's 8. Wait, let's see, because the last one changed. Maybe this one says 2. 16. 24. 32, 40, 48. So you've got 48 lists, double-sided. And those are decent-sized lists, too. I wonder if I can write that small. You guys see how small that is? I don't know if I can write that small. but that's cool. I like it. Let's put this back with it so I don't get confused. Okay, now this is what the distraction was. Palette sticky notes, autumn tones. Look at that. Look at that. Oh dear. Okay, I don't think that was supposed to happen. And there's no sticky, so that's probably why that happened. Oops. Okay. The rest of these, assuming I don't yank on them, appear to be stuck as they're supposed to. So this is like a fluke, most likely. They are sticky, so let's see if we can fix it, because that looked really cool. And now I'm sad. Does that work? Okay, that works. So we must be careful with the pretty palette of sticky notes, but very cool. Trash for that one. Plastic. Okay, now we've got more fall. Okay, leaves are falling, autumn is calling. That beautiful waterfall. And then we've got plaid in Halloween colors, and plaid. And then we've got water. Oh, that's right. We get a cover in this box. So, when I went to sign up, out of curiosity, they have 2 different subscriptions, 3 different subscriptions. It might be 3. So you can just do the cover, which I think is just this, or you can do just the planner stuff, which was the other stuff we've already looked at, or you can do all of it, and it's called like a deluxe something or another box. Does it say it on here? Deluxe subscription box. Okay, so you get the cover. So basically you get both subscriptions. All right, so let's see if I understand this correctly. That would go there, this would go here, and of course I'd have to line it up right because that's not going to be the same size. Alright, let's just worry about one. Let's line up the holes. Okay, look how cool that is. It's like creepy trees, and then you see this behind it. Or you could flip it around and you've got creepy trees, and you've got this like vellum pattern back here, or not vellum, checkered, plaid, flannel, whatever you want to call it, back there. Ooh, or you could use the other ones. Let's see how interesting we can make this. How much stuff can we stack? Okay, so we could do this. Oh, come here, you. Alright, so we've got our creepy forest, we've got our bats, we've got our trees. That's pretty cool. It's kind of hard to see the trees now though because of the vellum, and this has like vellum, like that is vellum. It's inside the laminated cover. Got anything else with a quote on it? I don't remember. What else was here? Don't think so. That's the chapters, and then there's the writing. So, oh, we have this one. Right? So, somehow managed to make that completely crooked. Okay, so that's cool with that Emily Dickinson quote. That looks neat. Sorry about the glare. Or you could do it without the quote. Oh, no you can't. Well, I guess if you made the other, I don't know. I don't know, but these are cool. This will be fun to play with and figure out. Like here's the waterfall, and that's centered perfectly, so clearly this is meant to go with this. But that is really cool. Alright, this is going to be a lot of fun. So the next one I get, which will be next month, will be for November, And that one is going to be classic size because that was what I wanted this for in the first place. And then of course I messed up when I was ordering because my brain is always geared towards getting things in big size, like, you know, faith planners and wellness planners. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so you get the cover, you get all the, you get the things that go under the cover, you get the spooky vellum, you can get this, you get this kind of like pop-in dashboardy thing, you get bookmark, sticky notes, washi. Ah, the washi is just like the cover, the trees. That's cool. Bookmark, paper clips, creepy little things, this awesome corduroy bag, and then you've also got this decorative dashboard, these quad list pages, these goal/project pages, and 3 chapter vellums, which is awesome, and the Sleepy Hollow, and the reading list on the other side, and then you get your card, which is cute. So let's look at the back of the card. Did I miss anything? This tour card doubles as a large quote card. All it says is October, but okay, I'll go with it. Quote cards. Alright, I guess she doesn't call them journaling cards, she calls them quote cards. So that's these little things. So we've got cat face, moon, and spell. 3 large black paper clips, vegan leather bookmark, brown heart, washi tape full branches, page finder, black cardstock, white ink moons, sticky note palette, autumn tones, tip in dashboard, black cardstock, Mary Shelley quote, vellum dashboard, watercolor bats, decorative dashboard, spooky woods, decorative dashboard, Sleepy Hollow / reading list, decorative dashboard, lanterns, vellum dashboards, chapter 10, 11, 12, special edition planner insert, Q4 planning. I guess that's those project things. Unreleased planner insert, notes number 3, quad lists, reversible 2-piece decorative dashboards, leaves are falling, planner cover / laminated dash set, full branches, large corduroy zipper pouch to hold your planner accessories. And then apparently you get digital wallpaper in your email. So that's pretty cool. So if you're interested, we do have a link below to Jane's Agenda. You get some sort of discount. I honestly don't remember off the top of my head. It's not an affiliate link, it's a referral link. I assume whatever discount you get won't work on sub boxes because that seems to be the case everywhere. But if you've never shopped there before, I'm pretty sure you get whatever discount is offered. It's in the description. Sorry, I can't remember them all. There's a lot. I really think that's awesome. That is totally awesome. And now I have to know which chapter this came out of. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos. And I'll see you in the next one.